Hey everybody, what's going on? This is Wakefield with another video. And what I want to talk to y'all today about is the best web hosting company it is on the planet. Anybody that want to create a website or want to make a website, this is the best web hosting that you can get. I mean, it's just crazy all the things that you're gonna get with Bluehost. That's the name of the company. I can't remember how long Bluehost been around, but I'm quite pleased with Bluehost. And I mean, it's just so much that they do for such a little price. Uh, Let me say this also. If you want to do WordPress, you most definitely want to get with Bluehost. But I kind of highlighted all the things you're gonna get. So let me hop into it. So with Bluehost, like I say, if you want to start a WordPress site, you most definitely want Bluehost. But just let me go through all the things I highlighted with Bluehost. Even though I use it myself, uh, some of the things, I didn't want to leave out because they do so much. But with Bluehost, you're gonna get your domain free for a whole year. You're gonna get a free SSL certificate with what makes Google notice that your site is a secure website. For people who don't know what that means. You're gonna get 24/7, 365 live chat. Uh, Also, that says that right there. I'm not just reading it from right there, but another thing with Bluehost, which I love, is how some hosts companies, you go to your site sometime and it's not up. They have 99.9% uptime, meaning that your site is never down when you go by there. Never. And if it is, it's that 0.1% that they're talking about. They ranked in the top 5 in hosting companies as far as load speed. That means when somebody click on something, it's not, after you done click, it's not freezing up and taking a couple seconds to get to the next page. So, you want a site that you can navigate real good. Where you click, boom, you're over here. You click, boom, you're over there. You click, boom. You want a site that you can navigate through, fast. So, um, plus, how impatient people is on the internet anyway. And then the most beautiful thing is plans start at $2.95 a month. So that's just crazy. And they got it also, like if you want to pay for a whole year, 2 years or 3 years, you can do that too. Also, what's just amazing or incredible or whatever you want to call it, they got a special intro offer and a 30-day money back guarantee. So it's just a win-win for anybody who want to start a website or create a website. And uh I mean, it's just the best hosting company I've seen. Now, it's a couple other good ones, but if you want the number one place to get web hosting, Bluehost is it. Now, I think about another 4 more things that I want to say about Bluehost. They also have a domain privacy feature to keep all your personal info private. People can go search for who own the site and all of that. They protect your personal info. Also, they have site lock to protect your malware. So, malware is a bad virus that takes down your site and destroys your site. They also have Code Guard to provide daily backups so you can roll back previous versions of a site if for some reason it gets hacked. So that's a win-win. And I said I have 4, but that's the other 3 things. Is the reason why you want to go with Bluehost, because of the security. Like the domain privacy, like I say, to protect your information. Then you got SiteLock to protect your malware. And then they make daily backups of your site so they can roll back if somebody try to hack into it. Like I say, the plan started at $2.95 a month. You're going to get your free domain for the first year. You're going to get that free SSL certificate included. Oh, yeah. I said 4 things, but this will make the 4th right here. One-click WordPress install. But one thing that's lovely though, also, and just major, that 99% uptime record, and then you got top 5 load speed, but more importantly, you got the 24/7 365 support, so you can always call them, live chat, or whatever. So anybody out there, that's looking to start a site or create a site, Bluehost is it. So with that being said, y'all have a wonderful, blessed day. I'm going to put the link below. I'm also going to put a link below to my other stuff that I got going on. And make sure you most definitely subscribe and click that notification bell, because I've been doing this over 12 years, almost 13 years now. And you definitely don't want to miss out on the other stuff I got going on. So with that being said, y'all have a wonderful, blessed day. Take care. Peace.